Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take the solution of system of linear equation by matrix method. Take first question. Solve the following system of equations by matrix method. As we already know, matrix method is a method in which we use inverse. The equations are x plus 2y plus z is equal to 7, x plus 3z is equal to 11, then 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. Solution: we have given equations are x plus 2y plus z is equal to 7 minus is equal to 7, then x plus 3z is equal to 11, 2x minus 3y is equal to 1, which can be written as in the matrix form. First is 1 to 1 coefficients, then 1, 0, 3, then 2, 0, minus 3. 2 minus 3, 0 into variable matrix, column matrix is equal to constant column matrix 7, 11, 1, which is equivalent to Ax is equal to B, which will give you x is equal to A inverse B. This is number 1, where A is equal to coefficient matrix 1 to 1, 1, 0, 3, 2, minus 3, 0. X is variable column matrix x, y, z. B is a constant matrix, constant column matrix. Then determinant A is equal to expand by first row 1 into 0 plus 9 minus 2 into 0 minus 6 plus 1 into minus 3 minus 0. So this is equal to 9 plus 12 minus 3. This is 18, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. We have A is equal to, A is a coefficient matrix 1 to 1, 1, 0, 3, 2 minus 3, 0. We want to find its cofactor. C11 is cofactor of first element of first row. It is 0 plus 9 is 9. Then C12 cofactor of second element of first row is equal to minus. This is 0 minus 6 is equal to 6. C13 cofactor of third element of first row. It is, because it is even sign is positive, it is minus 3 minus 0, it is minus 3. Then C21 is equal to minus first element of second row. It is 0 plus 3 is minus 3. C22 second element of second row cofactor. So this is 0 minus 2. It is minus 2. Then C23 is equal to minus third element of second row. It is minus 3 minus 4. It is 7. Then C31 first element of third row. Its cofactor is 6 minus 0. 6, C2, C3, 2, second element of third row. Its cofactor is 3 minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 2. Then C3, 3, cofactor of third element of third row is 0 minus 2. It is minus 2. So adjoint of A is, take cofactors 9, 6, minus 3, then minus 3, 2, minus 2, then 7, then 6, minus 2, minus 2. Its transpose, which is equal to, first row become first column, 9, 6, minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, 7, 6, minus 2, minus 2. So A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant A into adjoint of A is equal to 1 over 18 into, this is 9 minus 3, 6, 6 minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, 7, minus 2. From 1, x is equal to A inverse B by substituting values as x, y, z. A inverse is 1 over 18 into 9 minus 3, 6, then 6 minus 2, minus 2, then minus 3, 7, minus 2 into constant matrix is 7, 11, 1. Therefore, x, y, z column matrix is equal to 1 over 18 into, multiply this, first row with column 63 minus 33 plus 6, then 40, second row with column 42 minus 22 minus 2, then third row with column minus 21 plus 49 minus 2. So this is equal to 1 over 18 into this 36, and it is 18, then this is third row with column is 3, 7 are 21, 11, 7, 49, 11, 7, 77, minus 2. So this will be 54, which is equal to 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. Therefore, x is 1, x is 2, y is 1, z is 3. Answer is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 3. Second question, solve the following system of equations. So equations of x plus y plus z is equal to 3. Then 2x minus y plus z is equal to minus 1. Then 2x plus y minus z is equal to minus 9. Solution, we have x plus y plus z is equal to 3. 2x minus y plus z is equal to minus 1. 2x plus y minus z is equal to minus 9, which can be written as in the matrix form: 1, 1, 1 coefficients, then 2, minus 1, 1, then 2, 1, minus 1, into variable column matrix x, y, z is equal to constant matrix 3 minus 1 minus 9, which is equivalent to ax is equal to b, which give you x is equal to a inverse b. This is number 1, where a is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 2, 1 minus 1. This is coefficient matrix. Variable matrix is x, y, z. Then constant matrix B is 3 minus 1 minus 9. We have A is equal to coefficient matrix 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 2, 1 minus 3. So determinant is expanding by first row 1 into 3 minus 1, then minus 1 into minus 6, minus 2, then plus 1 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 14. Then we find their cofactors. Cofactor of first element, first of all we take elements of first row. C11 is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. C12 is equal to minus 6 minus 2 is equal to 8. C13 is equal to cofactor third element of first row. It is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. C21 is equal to first row of first element of second row. It is minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 4. Then second element cofactors, it is C22 is equal to minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. C23 is equal to cofactor of third element of second row. This is 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 is 1. Then third row, C31, first element, it is 1 plus 1, 2. C32 minus, it is 1 minus 2, 1. C33 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 3. So adjoint of A is transpose of matrix of cofactors 2, 8, 4, then 4, minus 5, 1, then 2, 1, minus 3, transpose is equal to first row will become first column 2, 8, 4, then 4 minus 5, 1, 2, 1, minus 3. A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant A into adjoint of A is equal to 1 over 14 into 2, 4, 2, 8 minus 5, 1, 4, 1, minus 3. from 1, x is equal to A inverse B. We put their values. X is x, y, z column matrix. A inverse is 1 over 14 into 1 over 14 into 2 for 2. Second row is 8 minus 5, 1. Third row is 4, 1 minus 3. 4, 1 minus 3 into matrix B is 3 minus 1 minus 9. We multiply this 1 over 14 into first row with this 6 minus 4 minus 18. Then second row with this column 24 plus 5 minus 9. Then third 12 minus 1 plus 27 is equal to 1 over 14 into 1 over 14 into minus 16, then 20, then 38. This is equal to minus 16 over 14, 20 over 14, 38 over 14. Cancel this. 19 by 7. So this is equal to minus 8 by 7, 10 by 7, then 19 by 7. Therefore, x is equal to minus 8 by 7, y is equal to 10 over 7, and z is equal to 19 over 7 is the required solution. Answer. So that's all. In the next video, we shall take more important questions relating to solutions of simultaneous linear equations. So please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.